What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. You know, lame. But tomorrow I'm doing my first ever L video. That was stupid, wasn't it? Yeah. I gotta work on my intros. But anyways, I'm doing my first ever IRL videos with my cousins and my friends. We are doing a huge hide and seek game, IRL, in my estate. If I accidentally leak my address, don't blame me. I won't. I'll be careful. Can't promise that. Can't promise me. I don't know the blur things out. Anyways, we're just gonna go into lobbies and burp at people for no reason. Anyways, but yeah, we're gonna go troll burping at people because since I'm a very cool guy and I can burp on command, which is very disgusting. This is only because I don't know. It sounds kind of funny, I guess, some way. Just go. Wait, let me try to get a loud one. Yeah, that was a good one. Let's go already. We are not wasting time here talking. But yeah, we are doing a big hide and seek tomorrow. So we shall be ready.
Timmy, no, you're not gonna join, bro. You're a modder. Join my name for minigames.
Yo, do you want to hear something? Do you want to hear a magic trick? Do you want to hear? Wait. I don't think. Never mind. You are not the right person to troll with this. You want to hear a magic trick?
Got that
It's disgusting, but it's funny.
Yeah.
I'll go with someone else that doesn't.
Can I tell you something?
Maybe.
Sure, tell me something.
What the?
I'm gonna look for it.
Yo, bro, do you want to hear something? Do you want to hear something?
What do you mean? I hope you hope
What?
I meant AA, bro. I was like, hey, do you want to hear about?
I wish I had to tell you one. You wish they had.
Never mind.
Guys. You know that one guy at a party who always says, my turn.
Hey, do you want to hear something cool?
Purple. Yeah. You know that one person at a party who always says, my turn. You're black. Me. Okay. So, you know that one person at a party who always says, my turn.
I don't know what I'm doing. Let's hope I don't win to the AA's lobby.
I'm bad at.
Hey, do you want to hear magic trick?
Okay, thingy, but when
Do you want to hear magic trick?
What? Yeah, stinky but we'd love to.
You can cut out of
They're not like the oven.
I don't know what he just said, neighbor. He said, I hope your turkey's burning.
You're not bad. You're not big.
Like
You're the him or
I say you weren't bad, and then you start reporting you.
you're like the
Ah! See the sky. Tonight will be the night that I will fall for you. The night I will fall for you. Yeah.
I don't play
This cosmetic, it makes you blind. I can't see anything.
You don't
Okay,
have
you ready?
Blind.
Ready?
It's
Say the breaking news. Wait,
Shows that I have something
when
on.
I tell you.
Hey, do you want to hear a magic trick?
Where am I going?
Magic trick?
Do you want to hear a magic trick?
I can't see.
Left it. Yep. Okay.
Still don't know where I'm going.
Not me! Not me! I did not burp. It wasn't me. It wasn't me. Don't clap my cheeks. So what if I have voice crack? I don't think I did voice crack because that's what. Do you want to hear a magic trick?
Yeah, I want to hear my.
How can I hear a
I do
magic
magic
trick?
trick.
I love the sunset.
Fucking big.
Oh my
Fuck
god,
is
it's
that
a
magic
flip!
trick?
A beautiful one. Tonight will be the night that I will fall for you. Yeah, 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 yeah. Tonight will be the night that I will fall for you. Tonight will be the night that I will fall for you.
Thank you.
I saw that, pal.
My life is pointless.
Oh no!
I need to find kids again. I need
By me!
Oh wait,
No! Yo!
What the fuck?
Hey, yo!
You furball! Again here. Flip. For cursing, guys, and I can't really blur it out.
watch Hey,
My poor CapCut edits.
wait, that joke.
My poor CapCut edits can only hold one
Alright,
sound.
yeah, so I'm in a situation.
Tonight will be the night that I will fall for you.
Bro.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Oh my goodness, bro. I can't even.
Do you want to hear a magic trick?
No, actually, like, see this? Watch
Do
this.
you want to hear a magic trick?
Yo, can I borrow you really quick? If you don't subscribe and join the Discord. Brightness.
My phone's cracked.
Oh yeah, and you're gonna be stuck upside down for the rest of your life.
Wait, what?
I just like
really
him.
don't know how that guy up there. Hello. But yeah,
Hello.
don't stop milking it. And I think that's all I have.
Do you want to hear a
say.
magic trick?
And remember, go check out these channels, VR, and also check out Sammy VR. It's one of my. It's just recently started.
You can't catch me.
Excited for that.
Turn off for
And, yeah, that's all I have to say.
Sorry, guys, I have 19.
Your personal help with that. Thank you. I know everything.
Do you want to hear a magic trick?
Okay, can you
Okay, listen up. Everyone, listen up to this magic trick. Listen up.
It's Elliot! Elliot! Give me Elliot! J-Man!
He's not the real Elliot. He doesn't.
I think I know. I'm just trying to. Oh my gosh, it's Elliot!
So now they're real.
Please!
Parody.
Knife! And you
Smelly it.
Smelly it!
Oh my gosh. What the hell?
Bro, who just burped, man?
This guy. Not me. Who's the soundboard?
Oh
My balls. I mean.
One last one before y'all leave. Guys, this is how you call the birds.
Hey, you wanna go? Ew. Wanna go?
That's how you call the birds.
No, I'm leaving this lobby.
One last one. Oh, he's gone.
You do? You? Oh my. Wait.
Michael.
Oh my god. Okay. Warning.
I love
Go
this
to
job. I feel sicky in my body. Do you want to hear a magic trick? Tonight will be the night that I will fall for you. Yeah, yeah. Do you want to hear a magic trick?
What? Hey.
Yeah, tonight will be. Yummy. totally not sorry, bro. Pew. Pew. Oh. Oh, snap.
To this guy.
Bombs ahead! Hey, who here wants to hear a magic trick? Hey, old Blue, would you like to hear a magic trick?
No, no, I don't know how to play.
I'm hoping my mic did not work there. I feel bad. Sorry, bro. I'm very actually sorry. It's not funny. I didn't actually mean to burp in at him. I didn't really get to hear what he was gonna say. Tonight will be the night that I will fall for you.
Wait. This is why.
Yeah, I'm Jay, my girly, bro. Listen up, everyone, listen up.
So bad. What?
I'm such a
Cake
big
crap?
fan. Oh! Oh my goodness, it's my
Mishka, Mickey Mouse.
No way. No way.
Your search history is interesting.
No, I know, I feel very, no, we don't want to see my history, bro. No. You two again. I used to.
Who's that
It's a
cornball?
Minecraft horror.
Oh,
What?
Anyways, that's it, bro. Anyways, that's it. To whoever that kid that was new, I'm very sorry. Didn't hear you out there, brother. Anyways, peace out. Get ready for tomorrow. It's coming, bro.